Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix high memory RAM usage in Windows 10 and 11. So first up, you just need to go to search and type services. Click on open it. You just need to search background intelligence service. Just double click on it. Just set the startup type to stop and set to disabled and select the play and OK for change. And now find SYS main service. Double click on it, stop the service and set startup type to disabled and select apply and OK for searching this. And now find Windows search services, double click on it, stop it, install the type, set to disabled and select apply and OK. Stuff here, these services are not that important but using lots of resources. So next step, you just need to open up Chrome and search Wise Memory Optimizer. Just click on it, select free download. After getting download and click on it and install it. Fifth step, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings, and here search preload page. Comes up preload page, just turn off and just close. Select task manager, select startup apps, disable unnecessary startup programs just by right click and select disable and just to close stuff here. So this step, you just need to go to search flow and type advanced system settings, click on open it, select settings and performance, select this adjust for best performance and check this one box. Guys, smooth edge of the screen fonts and select apply and OK for save change. At this step, we need just to keep your system up to date. Go to search and type check for updates, click on open it and check for update. If you have a pending update, update it and make sure operating system up to date. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.